Hi everyone, it's Kathie in Bundaberg, Queensland here, and before you see a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas which I just started to pour and it's left me cold. It's that close to being scraped, it's not funny, and so I have thought I might do a spatula swipe over the top and just see if I can save it before I demise it. So I've got some of the same colours, what's that, a medium blue, white, black and some purpley colour, and I might see how that goes before I take it any further. I might give it a spray, silicone spray, oops, there you go, and we'll see what happens. I think I could do with a bit more white. Oh, that piece of plastic's a nuisance. Go away. Okay. And have some more white, some purple, and some blue, a smidgen of black. Okay. Here's a mauve colour likes to take over, a bit pushy. Okay, stop it. Behave. There, so I have some prettiness. That's a nice blue. Right. And I think I might just run it down over the edges. I do have a lot of paint on here. Going, and then back the other way. Going down. Getting there. Okay, so I'll take it down this way, I think. See if I can get it over the edges here because they don't have much on them. I think it wants to. Certainly making up its mind. Okay, so I'll just get that little bit more straight. Not bad. I'll wipe my hands off and torch it. Oops, I'm running out by the sound of that. Okay, that's certainly different, but it's really, really ordinary. I don't know what to do. Take that out, and I will try with just one more ring pour. And if this doesn't work, well, I might have to cry. Nah. Put it down to experience. Okay, so add a bit more purple. And I think I'll put the white straight down the centre, just like that. Okay. And this will just be a straight out pour, I think. Except for when I moved it. Right. Back. I certainly think that this is much more interesting, especially this up here. I'm just getting rid of this down here so that the liney bits can have its turn. Go on, come on, come on. Okay. And then maybe just a little bit more to the centre. Now I am happy. $20 million tons of paint, but I have it. Let me just put a little bit of black along there. Touching it sort of made it go a bit grey looking, so just do that. Let it run over the edge. That's good. What about you? Yeah, you can have a bit too. you've got some, and clean that there too. Make that nice. There we go. Now I'm just going to wipe my hands and look at the gold. Yum. That is really cool. I just hope that that torch works. Purple CC. Oh, black paint is so hard to get off. It's a real huggy colour, like my little Winston over there, sleeping on the tiles because it's cool. I can see, he knows I'm talking about in his little tail. It's not so little. Torch, that's what I was doing. Not a lot of cells, but then I don't think you always need them, but just enough here and there. Along here looks like powder. The gold is lovely and the lines. Dead set, this looks like a piece of Australian agate. A very nice piece. Somebody out the car out there tooting its horn, and my little dog's taken offence. Excuse me while I shout. Don't need... Lacey! No barking! Little dogs and little kids. There you are. How pretty is that? It really is nice. Let's have a look from this side. Yes. I love that big lump of gold there. And the reason why I'm not going to fiddle with it is because it has rather a lot of patterns in it, which are really, really pretty. Yep, the camera's sort of bringing them up. And some cells there, black, the gold on black, really nice. And those sort of little yellow speckly bits of gold. And then this lovely little piece of lace. That is really cute. More gold and black over here. Very nice. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below this video under Show More, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. More than welcome to come over there and join us. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do, and click the little bell. You'll be notified then when I put up more videos. Please give this one a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. I really hope you enjoyed this one. It's quite pretty. Bye for now.